Hi guys, welcome back with my channel. For this time, I want to talk about 5 best modern furniture stores near me. Well, if you are interested with this topic, please continue watching this video until very end. If you want to remodel a house or have a new home, the following shops offer the highest quality furniture and at an affordable price. What are the tokok? Let's explain the following. First, Ikea is a well-known furniture company founded in Sweden. Material and quality produced by Ikea need not to be doubted. Even the design in Ikea are the most unique among others. Simple, Ikea reproduced from the kitchen parabot, living room, bedroom, workspace, and many others. The price is very affordable depending on the needs and funds owned. Second, Nitori. You could say that Nitori is equivalent to Ikea and is one of the largest cheap parabot house chains in Japan. Nitori is similar to Muji in terms of design and minimalist practicality. It is the ideal choice for anyone who needs equipment for a new apartment or house quickly and affordable. Third, Olympic. A very famous furniture shop, Olympic produces sofas, spring beds, foam mattresses, and many more. Fourth, Amsterdam Modern. A 10,000-foot building has modern seating and lighting around has been used the latest technology. Here you can drop it you want at a relatively affordable cost. Fifth, Cisco Home. After being tired of walking through the city, you can just look for and also can buy some modern products in this shop. This shop sells environmentally friendly furniture such as seating, vintage decorations, kitchen linen, and many more. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do so you don't miss any of my videos. See you on the next video.